This is Novo 10 Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 3, Polokwane City North. Puji, how are you?
Kunjani mfethu?
Ngiyaphila njani? Nazo-ke, how do you feel about the game namhlanje?
Game namhlanje bemnandi kakhulu. Polokwane City is a very good team. Bane-coach right. Mangibabukele bebadlala in phases. Bebakhona ukupressa, bebakhona ukulinda ibhola nenene uthola ukuthi badlala ngeblock emuva. Or ba-check ukuthi i-Pirates yenzani emuva. Mababona ngathi i-game is slow down bebapressa high. And then lentwana apolice bebangadlalisi far left, bebadlalisa la phakathi. Mangicabanga bebayenza i-false 9 mara ikwazi ukubona. So angithi le coach ye-Polokwane City mangibheka i-coach yazi ibhola. So ikwazi ukufunda i-game. That's why first half sibe ne-difficult tough time. So second half, well, I think Pasha fatigue, but Polokwane City was playing very well. Make no mistake. And I think I'm a coach it was South Africa. Afana na Polokwane City mele swa recommend because they're doing good jobs and nama player uyabona ukuthi ama player Polokwane City they are well coached uyabona. Just unfortunate Pirates second half iyanyathela amafutha afaka number 1 badlala ukudlula i-first half.
Iwing ndoda ngiyazibona zifikile. Ufila kanjani ke iwing zakho?
It's a beautiful thing bro because isoccer yethu ishuthi iyakhula. Angithi manje problem yabantu bala South Africa ibhola lethu balinyatha. Uyangithola? Ibhola lethu problem libaluleke kakhulu and liproduce ama player akwazi ukudlala kahle and then it's a beautiful thing. Uyabona abantu baza nabantwana babo nathi sizana ingcosi zethu. It's just a nice afternoon or evening just to have fun uze nefamily yakho. So for me it's a very good thing. Uyabona le nto.
No ngiyawakhuluma bafo all the best. Ngidlala nani next game?
Ngicela ukukhuluma ngendaba ye-debate kaJomo noMswangayi.
NoMswangayi ngimbonile ngathi lefuna umkhombisa ukuthi angikho.
No, I don't think it's that. Kunento abantu ama-debate amele sibe factual. uJomo Sono uDr Jomo Sono uPatrick Simuswangayi usadlala ibhola. So kusho ukuthi masitsho njalo sithi ukuthi uJomo Sono ubaba kaMswangayi. So anything uJomane ndawo abantu engathi ba-understand ubaba uthanda ukusijokela ufana nabo the late Skrima Shabalala abo baba bathanda ukujoka bazikhulumela. Labantu laba ama-family yethu. uDr Jomo Sono ubaba wethu is our ancestor, living ancestor and thina siyamhlonipha.
So ngowakho usho ukuthi lento kade yisho ukuthi number 10
because uJomo uhlala sidalela he's always joking that old man uyazi naye ukuthi lento le he has to keep it going because number 10 vele owakhe. You understand? Uye bekadlala ngaye and he played a big role. Noma singayenzani noma singathini iplay efana necaliber yakhe till today asikakabi nayo. uMswangayi is putting his stamp, his foot down manje ukuthi ikhona. So abantu
motivate
abantu mabedebate right kumele bayidebate honestly. Bangayidebate ngomona nangokuthi bafuna ukumosha or bafuna ukwenza ngathi uMswangayi akazi ibhola. uMswangayi phela naye ungakhohlwa udlala ngepe instruction. I-coach yakhe imdlalisa 90 minutes. Why imdlalisa 90 minutes?
Leyanto leya ayisasebenzi lento ukuthi kumele bagibele phezulu kwebhola benze
lento leya isasifana.
Ama-coach afuna ukuwina manje.
Afuna ukuwina but i-coach yethu knows what is doing uMswangayi. Mayimfaka iyazi ukuthi yenza sontwana yami bahlikinizela.
Udlala 90 minutes namhlanje.
Nalapho udlala 90 minutes. It's rare uthola ukuthi uMswangayi uyakhipha because the coach knows that anytime lo muntu wena angayenza something kuhambe. Namanje the last 10 minutes you saw what he could do.
Played very well.
So no debate mina iyangidina because abantu bayikhuluma abayazi abantu
abangazi ibhola. That's the thing.
And abantu abangadlala nge-DC bayahlupha ngoba bathanda ukukhuluma nje. But anyway bro mina ngiyabonga kuthi ukubona Vandag last week angikubonanga but nawe kusasa all the best.
Asisonke thanks a lot man. Keep well man.